Okay, guys, so this news just literally broke about an hour ago. I was literally in bed about to sleep. Then one of my boys sent me a screenshot of the CNBC article. I was in bed. I had a look at it. I was like, yeah, nah, whatever. It's not true. Stop pulling my leg. It's not April Fool's. And then I get a notification from CNBC itself saying Tesla announces 5-for-1 stock split. I jumped out of my bed. I was like, nah, this is crazy. But yeah, guys, this is the article. Tesla announces a 5-for-1 stock split. Okay, so Tesla announced a 5-for-1 stock split on Tuesday evening. So we're still fresh, guys. The split goes into effect after the close of trading on August the 31st. Does August the 31st sound familiar, guys? Well, if it did, boom. And it's because Apple also announced a 4-for-1 stock split. So it says on July 30th, we also announced a 4-for-1 split of Apple common stock, and trading will begin on a split adjusted basis on August the 31st. Guys, what is going to happen on August 31st? I'm literally sweating as I'm recording this. August the 31st is going to be mad. So another key point from the article, guys, it says theoretically the move could mean more smaller investors could afford the stock. Now, in an age where we have fractional shares, there are still brokers, believe it or not, guys, there are still brokers who do not offer fractional shares. And if you are based in the UK, IG markets, for example, do not offer fractional shares. So you're looking at Tesla. Where's Tesla's price right now? So if you're an investor and your broker doesn't offer fractional shares, and then you're looking at Tesla's stock price and it's $1,374.39, how much is that in pounds? So translated to pounds, guys, you're looking at spending 1,052 quid just to buy one share of Tesla. That's a lot of money. That is a lot of money for one share. Let's not even go into Amazon's league, but right now, Tesla is really expensive for a lot of investors who do not have access to fractional shares. So this is going to drum up a ton of interest from investors who want to get in but may not necessarily afford to. And trust me, guys, there are a lot of investors who would love to get their hands on some Tesla shares. And guys, if you have been following Tesla, you would know that the shares have tripled. It says here shares of Tesla have more than tripled so far this year, and it's currently up 228.54% year to date. Guys, this is crazy. The stock reacted most recently to Tesla's second quarter earnings when it reported its fourth straight quarter of profits, which qualified it to join the S&P 500. So there's been a lot of press about Tesla joining the S&P 500, and that also gave some positive momentum for Tesla. However, Tesla is currently 23.43% below its all-time intraday highs, which was at $1,794.99, which it hit on July 13. The question is, guys, is this the catalyst that will now be able to push Tesla much higher in market value? It well could be, guys. Okay, you cannot write this stock split off. The article also points out, guys, that Tesla shares rose more than 6% in post-market trading, even though the stock split changes nothing fundamental about the stock. Theoretically, the move could mean more smaller investors could afford the stock, but those investors are minuscule compared to major institutions. Hey, CNBC, allow it, man. Do you know what I'm saying? We're not minuscule. You know what I'm saying? Just look at the Robinhood platform. The amount of users they have recently gained this year. Look at Trading 212. Do you know what I'm saying? Look at Free Trade. Please do not call us minuscule. Please put some respect on our name, all right? Put some respect on our name. Thank you very much. What's more, most brokerages offer fractional trading nowadays, allowing small traders to buy a slice of expensive stocks. Yes, a lot of the big names do, but like I mentioned, there's a lot that also don't, okay? So this is going to drum up huge interest, okay? And for CNBC to call us minuscule, hey, let's wait and see market open in it. Do you know what I'm saying? On the 31st, let's wait and see who is minuscule. Okay, guys, with that said, let's take a look at another huge catalyst for Tesla. And if you haven't heard of this before, guys, it's called Tesla's Battery Day, okay? Tesla's Battery Day will be on September 15th. So think about this, guys. On August 31st, they're announcing the stock split. So they're making it affordable for more people. And literally, a couple of weeks after the stock split, they're going to have Battery Day. Oh my God. The amount of momentum this will build will be crazy. Absolutely crazy, guys. Let me take you further down this article. It says Tesla CEO Elon Musk announces that its event called Battery Day, previously intended to be held in the spring, will now take place on September 15 at the Fremont factory, Tesla's headquarters in California. The event will include a tour of cell production systems and is expected to be the occasion for news about more efficient electric vehicle technology. Okay, it's all about the efficiency of EV technology, guys. Okay, so if you haven't heard about Battery Day, I'll put the link to this article in the description below. Read up on it. It's very, very interesting, and it is a huge catalyst for Tesla going forward. But most importantly, guys, what is this going to do to Tesla's share price? So as I had already read in the article, you can see Tesla had a high of about 1794, and since it hit that high, it's pretty much been on a downward spiral, and currently it's down, as the article said, 23.59%. So ever since Tesla hit that actual high, it has been, I would actually say, consolidating. Even though it says it's down 23.59%, it still isn't down that bad. Because even if just all you have to do, guys, is zoom out, right? Believe it or not, this was March. This was March, guys. This was when the Rona was full steam ahead. And look at that in comparison to where it is now. Yeah, 288%. So a drop of 23%, I think, is literally a drop in an ocean, in my opinion, guys. And when you take a look, guys, Tesla's market cap is currently sitting at 256 billion. Okay, so I think this stock split is going to push Tesla's overall market cap much higher than it currently is, especially when you have the hype surrounding Battery Day just 2 weeks after the stock split. Guys, this is incredible. Tesla's PE ratio right now is currently sitting at 711.38. That is insane PE ratios, guys. I have to be honest, okay? That isn't the best. It definitely isn't your value stock, okay, guys? You have to accept that fact. Taking a look at their financials, guys, Tesla's operating margin is currently sitting at 4.74%, which is actually quite tight, okay, guys? And also, guys, the profit margin is sitting at 1.43%, okay, guys? Their total cash to debt ratio isn't too bad. It isn't too bad, okay? They're still over leveraged, but it isn't too bad. Their total cash position is 8.62 billion versus their debt, which is sitting at 15.48 billion, okay, guys? They have a current ratio of 1.25. And if you've watched any of my previous videos, guys, you know a current ratio of between 1 to 2 is regarded as safe, because that means the total current assets are much higher than the total current liabilities. And here you go, guys. Tesla's most recent quarter announced 15.3 billion versus the total current liabilities, which is sitting at 12.27 billion. All right, guys, so what that essentially means is that Tesla have enough total current assets to fulfill their financial obligations within the next 12 months. Okay, so that's why you need a current ratio that's higher than 1. Another good thing about their current balance sheet, guys, is Tesla's stockholder equity has been improving quarter after quarter, which is an indication that the assets are growing much faster than the liabilities. As an investor, it's important that you see positive stockholder equity, and more importantly, that it's actually growing every quarter, okay? And looking at Tesla's free cash flow position, guys, it has been choppy to say the least, okay? So they were down minus 921 million, and then they were up this recent quarter at 398 million, guys. And their trailing free cash flow is sitting at 799 million. So their free cash flow isn't the best, and it isn't predictable, okay, guys? So you have to take this into consideration before you decide to invest in a company like Tesla. And taking a look, guys, at analyst expectations for the next quarter, they're expecting the sales growth for Tesla to be at 27.80%. Huge growth rate, guys, because typically a growth stock grows at 10 to 15%. They are currently factoring in massive sales growth from Tesla. And even if you look at next year, 2021, despite the lockdowns, despite everything that's going on, they're still expecting Tesla sales growth to grow at a rate of 37.70%. Also, guys, I have to give a shout out to Jeremy from Financial Education. He probably isn't watching this, but I believe it was this video or this video, one of these videos, he pretty much predicted something similar like this would happen to Tesla, and he was kind of pretty much in the video begging. I think it's this one. I think it was begging Elon Musk to do a stock split or something like that. So huge shout out to Jeremy. He called it a month ago. Definitely subscribe to his channel. The guy is a Tesla boss. He's a Tesla beast. Follow him on Instagram as well. He's got 2 Teslas. He's really bullish on Tesla, and it's very, very entertaining, guys. So, guys, I apologize if this is not my usual format. Like I said, it's currently 1:30 in the morning. Currently in my boxes. I am sweating right now because it's really, really hot in the UK. But that's it, guys. Make sure you do your own due diligence before you invest in any stock. I've got links to books in the description below that will help you with your investing journey. And if you do want to start investing, check out Trading 212. The link is in the description below. Click that link and Trading 212 will send us both a free share. With all that said, guys, don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe and the notification bell if you want more up-to-date content from myself. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.